So with a Verkada access control and alarm, you want to make sure that you have motion detectors and then siren. Verkada has a couple different things, but you can get them off of ADI, pretty much everything. What's cool about the alarm, so how do you do door base? With the door base, we're just going to go out here, and these are going to have contacts on them. So once it releases, it goes off, it trips the alarm. Access control, that door is access control. So what happens is the door contacts inside of here, they're going to be tied on through the access control and then also the alarm. So it kind of protects you all kinds of different ways. So just as this is a 34 model and then just a regular strike here. So that's how you do warehouses with doors, strobes, motion detector, and Verkada does a great job. There's so many different variations, but this is just a Verkada install. That's how you do it.